Welcome to the ATOMECY podcast. Today's episode is called Artificial Intelligence Explained by Artificial Intelligence. We'll be talking about a very cool type of artificial intelligence called language processing AI. This is a type of computer program that can understand and use language, just like humans do. To help us understand more about language processing AI, we have with us today a combination of AI tools, including ChatGPT, which is a highly advanced language processing artificial intelligence tool, and Play HT Studio, text-to-speech human-like AI voiceover tool. The thumbnail art for this episode was created using the AI art tool called Midjourney. With all that being said, let's jump into the interview. Welcome, AI. Tell us a bit about what language processing artificial intelligence is and how it works.
Hi, thanks for having me. Sure, language processing AI is a type of computer program that is really good at understanding and using language. There are two main ways to build these programs: machine learning and rule-based systems. Machine learning LP programs are trained on lots and lots of text, like books or articles. They look for patterns in the text and learn to understand the meanings of words and phrases. This helps them to generate text that sounds human-like and to understand and respond to spoken or written language. Rule-based programs, on the other hand, use a set of rules that humans have made for them. These rules help them to understand the meanings of words and phrases. While these programs can be good, they're not as flexible or accurate as machine learning programs.
Wow, that's really cool. So, what are some examples of how this technology can be used in different industries and applications?
For example, in business, programs can be used to help with customer service by providing chatbots that can understand and respond to customer questions. They can also be used to analyze customer feedback and find ways to improve products or services. In terms of productivity, programs can be used to automate tasks that involve language processing, like extracting information from emails or documents or transcribing spoken language into written text. This can save time and reduce the need for manual labor. In the field of governance, programs can be used to analyze large amounts of text, like legislation or legal documents, to find trends and useful information. This can help people make better decisions and streamline processes. In the world of health, programs can be used to analyze patient records and find important information that can help with diagnosis and treatment. They can also be used to identify potential health risks by analyzing social media posts or other online data. Programs can also be used to help people grow and learn, like through language-based coaching or therapy tools. These tools can help people to understand their thoughts and emotions better and to see patterns in their behavior. Finally, programs can be used to improve security by identifying and detecting patterns of suspicious activity or malicious intent in large amounts of text data.
That's really impressive. But are there any risks or ethical considerations that we should be aware of when using these programs?
Like any new technology, it's important to think about the potential risks. One risk is the possibility of biased or offensive output if the program is trained on biased data. There's also a chance that programs could generate text that sounds real but is actually not true, which could be used to spread misinformation. To make sure that programs are used safely and ethically, it's important to have clear guidelines and regulations in place. This could include regular audits and independent reviews of the program's output, as well as ongoing training to make sure it's not perpetuating harmful biases.
Yeah, that's really important to think about. So, what advice do you have for anyone who is thinking about using these programs in their business or even just for personal use?
My advice would be to do your research and understand the potential risks and benefits of programs before using them. Make sure to carefully review the data that is used to train the program and to regularly audit the program's output to ensure that it's not perpetuating harmful biases. It's also important to have clear guidelines and regulations in place to make sure the technology is used safely and ethically.
Excellent. Thanks for that advice. It's been really interesting to learn about language processing today. I know I have a much greater insight into how artificial intelligence works and how it can be applied to various situations. I'm definitely going to continue my journey of exploring the potential of this type of technology, and I will keep an eye out for any potential risks. Thanks for that heads up.
You're welcome, ATOMECY.
Well, folks, there it is from the mouth of an artificial intelligence babe. If you thought this little experiment was interesting and think others might as well, please feel free to share it. Let me know in the comment sections below what you think the pros and the cons could be in regards to engaging with AI. And let me know if you would like to see more of this type of synthetic dialogue. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe.